Meet Jack and Ted. They both own a business and share a building. A thief broke in last night and stole everything after 10 years in business. Not only do they have to figure out how to recover, but they both may be facing regulatory fines for losing personally identifiable information for their current, past employees and their customers' data. Jack had 200 employees, 2,000 commercial customers, and 10,000 walk-in customers over the past 10 years. Jack had a cybersecurity framework for the company, however, they weren't following it. There was no employee training program, data wasn't encrypted, patches not installed, didn't keep up with antivirus updates, backups not running, etc. Jack's insurance policy is agreed to pay on their policy, but only 10%, or $100,000, of the $1 million policy that he had in place. He's also now facing regulatory fines from all the states where he had customers. California alone will be $233 per record, or about $2.842 million. Jack is now out of business. Ted's business had the same number of employees and customers as Jack's company. Ted implemented a cybersecurity framework to the best of his budget. Ted pulled together his incident response team and was able to prove that he'd encrypted the drives of the stolen machines. Ted's insurance company paid his full policy of $1 million. Ted was able to recover from backups, and no customer or employee data was lost in a useful form. Ted's regulatory fines were avoided because he was able to prove that he was protecting the data. Ted's business is doing better than ever. Ted had contracted with Omnistruct. Omnistruct worked with his current in-house technology people and his outsourced providers. Together, they continuously upgraded his security posture, fixed security issues, assembled an incident response team, and tracked all the required reports for when a breach happens. Find out more about your compliance with a readiness assessment or contact us at www.omnistruct.com/video.htm.